Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making Eggless Oatmeal Cranberry Chocolate Chip Cookies. These soft and chewy cookies are soft in the middle, crispy on the outside. They're loaded with chocolate chips, a little bit of tartness from the cranberry, and the perfect amount of cinnamon and oatmeal. You don't need eggs to make this twist on the classic oatmeal cookies. So preheat your oven to 375 degrees, grab your ingredients, and let me show you how to make them. So the first step to make these Eggless Oatmeal Cranberry Chocolate Chip Cookies is we're going to add 113 grams of softened butter to our stand mixer. And that's one little trick for you guys. Scrape the butter wrapper with the paddle as you're putting your butter into the mixer, that way you'll get all of it. Next we have 113 grams of cane sugar, and then 113 grams of light brown sugar, and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to mix the butter and sugar on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Next we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk, and this is going to be our egg replacer. You guys can use coconut milk like I'm using today. You can use cow's milk, almond milk, oat milk. These all work. And if you guys follow along, you know I'm a huge fan of eggless cookies because they can actually be softer and chewier than cookies with eggs. Not only that, but I love using milk as an egg replacer because it's so easy. It's like so much easier than eggs. Next, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. So I have our flour, our baking soda, salt, and cinnamon in this bowl. And then of course, we can't forget our rolled oats. Now we're gonna mix this on low until combined. Once everything's combined and you have a stiff cookie dough, then it's time to add in our dried cranberries and our dark chocolate chips. Now we're just going to mix this on low until the chocolate chips and the cranberries are combined. Now our cookie dough is ready to ball. So go ahead and line 2 baking sheets of parchment paper. We're going to get about 16 cookies per this batch, and we're going to have 8 cookies per sheet. So we're gonna roll these with our hands into balls that just look like this. And they're gonna be flattened just a little bit like a disc. And if you guys have a cookie scoop and you wanna use that instead, you totally can. But if you know me, then you know I'm terrible at cookie scoops, and so I never use them. Now we're gonna bake these at 375 degrees for about 11 to 13 minutes or until golden brown around the edges. And the best thing about eggless cookies is you guys don't have to worry about underbaking them, especially if you like super soft and chewy cookies. And now you guys can enjoy these delicious Eggless Oatmeal Cranberry Chocolate Chip Cookies. So good. These cookies are so good. They're soft, they're chewy, they're slightly crispy on the outer edges, really chewy in the middle. You guys are going to love these Eggless Oatmeal Cranberry Chocolate Chip Cookies. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy eggless baking recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.